Hi there, and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about the incredible benefits of consuming extra virgin olive oil in your diet. This versatile oil has been a staple in Mediterranean diets for centuries, and for good reason. It's loaded with health-promoting properties that can help you lead a healthier and happier life. So let's get started. Firstly, extra virgin olive oil is packed with healthy monounsaturated fats, which have been linked to a range of health benefits. These healthy fats can help to reduce inflammation, lower bad cholesterol levels, and improve overall heart health. Incorporating extra virgin olive oil into your diet can also help with weight loss. Studies have shown that consuming olive oil can lead to a reduction in body weight, body mass index, BMI, and waist circumference. Another great benefit of extra virgin olive oil is that it's packed with antioxidants, which can help to protect your body against free radicals and oxidative stress. This can help to reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as cancer and Alzheimer's. Additionally, extra virgin olive oil is rich in vitamin E, which is essential for maintaining healthy skin and hair. It can also help to reduce the signs of aging, such as wrinkles and fine lines. Finally, extra virgin olive oil is incredibly versatile and can be used in a variety of ways. You can use it for cooking, as a salad dressing, or simply as a dipping oil for bread. So, there you have it. The amazing benefits of consuming extra virgin olive oil in your diet. Incorporating this healthy oil into your meals can help you to lead a healthier and happier life. Thanks for watching. And why not hit the subscribe button for more videos like this? We upload videos daily, including diet recipes. So see you in the next video. And check out the link in the description for more diet ideas.